Hey guys, this is Bharadwaj with PhoneArena.com, and this is a quick video test comparison between the Sony Xperia Z2 and the Samsung Galaxy S5. So both have 4K recording enabled, and we are recording in 4K. Both have software based stabilization, and you can see that the Sony Xperia Z2 is much smoother than the Samsung Galaxy S5. You can also take a load of the audio, which is excellent in both. So let us know what you think. Take the image quality comparison in mind and let us know what you think in the comment section below. Also check out all the other comparisons that we have made. Thanks for watching.